Friends, welcome to the Amu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to continue our third question. So in that third question, what is that? Sixth and seventh questions. So what is the sixth question? What they are given? What we have to find it? So let's going to continue. So what are the terms they are given here is, so nth term they are given, that is 4, and common difference they are given 2, and Sn sum of n terms they are given, that is minus 14. So we have to find what is the n and what is a. So nth term means an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we know that is a keep as it is, nth term will be 4 plus n we don't know, n minus 1 keep as it is, d will be equal to 2. So what value we can take it here? A plus 2n minus 2. So we are multiplied and 4. So a plus 2n will be equal to 4 plus 2 will be equal to 6. So what value we can take it? So a plus 2n will be equal to, what is this? 6. Let's keep it as it is. So this is the equation 1. Let's go into take equation 1. And Sn, what is the Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here Sn we know, that is minus 14, n we don't know, n by 2 keep as it is, 2 into a we don't know, plus n minus 1 into, so what is this? D will be 2. So let's going to multiply 2 to the left side. So minus 14 into 2, n into 2a plus n. So multiply with the 2, 2n minus 2. Then 14 2s are 28 minus 28. So 2a, 2an. So 2an plus what you can take, 2n square minus 2n. So this is the equation. So a we don't know. Let's going to substitute a here. So minus 28, 2 into, so to a you can take, a is equals to 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n. So this is the equation 1. Let's going to keep, this is equation 1. Sorry for that. So a will be equal to what? A will be 6 minus 2n into n plus 2n square minus 2n. So this is the value. So minus 28. So 2 into, so what value you can take? 2 into 6n minus 2n square. Can you calculate like this or not? 2n square minus 2n. So let's going to take this 2 into 6. 2 6 12n minus 4n square plus 2n square minus 2n will be equal to minus 28. So this one let's going to cancel, 12n minus 2n we will get it as 10n, correct? 12 minus 2n will be 10n, minus 4n square plus 2n square minus 2n square will be equal to minus 28. So this is the value. Let's going to continue here. So 10n minus 2n square plus 28 will be equal to 0. So this is the expression. So let's going to write 2n square plus 10n plus 28 will be equal to 0. Let's going to take common 2 outside. So you can take common of minus 2 outside or 2. Minus 2 n square plus into minus, minus into minus will become plus, plus 2 5s are 10. So 5n plus 14, sorry, minus 14 will be equal to 0. 2 14s are 28. So this is the value. So n square minus 5n minus 14 will be equal to 0 by minus 2 will be 0. So 7 2s are, so n square minus 7n plus 2n. So minus 7n plus 2n will become minus 5n, that is minus 7 into 2. Minus 7 into 2 will be equal to 0. So here let's going to take common of n minus 7 plus you can take common plus 2 n minus 7 will be equal to 0. So n minus 7, then n plus 2. So n minus 7 will be equal to 0 or n plus 2 will be equal to 0. Then n will be equal to 7. Then n will be equal to minus 2. So minus 2 we should not take. Why? Because negative integers are not allowed here. So we should not take n is equals to minus 2. Then n is equals to 7 only we have to take. Then what they are asking here, first term. So n will be equal to 7. N will be equal to 7. Let's going to take equation 6 minus 2n. So 6 minus 2 into 7. 6 minus 14. Then 14 minus 6 will be minus 8. So a will be equal to minus 8. So this is the way to find the calculations. Then what is the next one? So seventh one, they are given that last term, that is nth term, will be equal to 28. Then sum of n terms will be equal to 144. Total number of terms will be, total n terms, that is 9. So total number of terms 9. Then find out what is the value of. So Sn will be equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So sum of n terms will be equal to n by 2 plus a plus l. Actually 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but last term, that is nth term. So for that we are taken like that. So let's going to keep that one. So Sn will be equal to 144, n will be equal to 9 by 2 into a plus l will be equal to 28. So this is the way. So shift to the left side, 144 into 2, that is 9 into a plus 28. So 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are. Then this will be equal to 9, then a plus 28. So 9 1s are 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are. So 9 2s are 18. So then a plus 28 will be equal to 32. Then a will be equal to 32 minus 28. So 32 minus 28, 30 minus, that is 4. So a will be equal to 4. This is the way to find the. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.